During the announcement of the emergency measure Thursday, Trump said Americans use more opioids than people in any other country. The U.S. opioid crisis has been a problem for decades, but it has quadrupled since 1999.
Nobody has seen anything like what's going on now. As Americans, we cannot allow this to continue. It is time to liberate our communities from this scourge of drug addiction. Never been this way. We can be the generation that ends the opioid epidemic.
Even during his election campaign, President Trump pledged to fight the crisis, including going after drug traffickers and imposing strict border controls to prevent the influx of illegal drugs. Meanwhile, states need means to treat millions of people addicted to opioids. Trump's declaration gives states flexibility to unlock additional resources to treat the epidemic and waive rules and restrictions that delay action.
As part of this emergency response, we will announce a new policy to overcome a restrictive 1970 rule that prevents states from providing care at certain treatment facilities with more than 16 beds for those suffering from drug addiction.
Advocates hailed the measure as a step in the right direction, but warned that the federal emergency funds have been depleted by the cost of natural disasters.
This is an epidemic that reaches a wide variety of people. It's causing a lot of other additional harms. We're talking about HIV is associated with it, hepatitis, children whose parents unfortunately pass away, overdose. They're entering the foster care system with record numbers. So it's really stretching municipalities beyond what they can handle.
Experts say the next step in the battle against the opioid crisis is for Congress and others to figure out where the extra financing will come from, because shifting funds from one crisis to another will only result in new problems. Zlatica, Hoke, VOA News, Washington.